Assalamualaikum. My name is Ilayuni binti Ilyas, F2023. Today I would like to present about environment science. The building that I choose is Antwerp House in Belgium. Next is for the contents. First is objective, introduction, site contact, architectural concept, and passive architectural design, and also energy efficient and sustainable features. For the objective is to maximize the use of natural source of heating, cooling, and ventilation to create a comfortable condition inside the building, to reduce negative impacts on the environment and the health and comfort of the building occupants, to reduce the overall impacts of the built environment on human health and the natural environment. For the introduction about the buildings um, is in the Belgium, Antwerp, Belgium. It was architect for this building is Zaha Hadid. The area is 12,800 meter square, and it was being built on 2016. For this building, the product used in this project is tile, natural slate, and others. The country is Belgium. The city is Antwerp. Next, for site context for the master plan. First one is the master plan. The site is on Zaha Hadid Plans 12030, Antwerp, Belgium, and Antwerp is a city in Belgium and the capital of Antwerp province in the Flemish regions. The next picture is for a location plan. The plot area is 4,628 square meter. Context around the buildings. It has ingang stock sale, DVNs, and help campus, and also the art at the right side of the buildings. Next, for design approach, the first one is has a dynamic beam-shaped structures. The expansion resemble the hull of sailing ships with a protruding bow. The second one is a volumetric compositions, building with its spaceship-like form that seem to float above the existing building is intended to be a node to ship that use the port. The third one and the last for the design approach is the unusual design. The horizontal bracing structures known as the bridge that is positioned between the two buildings. Next, for a passive approach, there is three passive approach for this building: daylighting, skylight, and also sea breeze. For the skylight, it's for promote the quantity and even distributions of daylight throughout a building by collecting natural light and reflecting it into darker area of the buildings. For the skylight, light transmitting structure or window made of transparent or translucent glass that form all or part of the roof space of the building for daylighting and ventilation purpose. For the sea breeze, as the building is around the seas, so the sea heat up and cool down relatively slowly. Therefore, area the sea generally stay cooler during day and have a more moderate temperature range in the inland areas. Next, for the next page is long sections. For the long section, there is a you can see the triangular facade glass, diamond-shaped design, slanted facade, and structural concrete form and hip roof for the old building, and also underground parking for the new buildings. Next one, for a building design for a plan. First one is for floor plan for a level 5. There is a cafeteria, auditorium, and also view from self-service counter to a cafeteria and also a meeting room. Next one is for level 6, view from the office, public counter, and data room and also boardroom. Next is level 7. There's offices, staircase for upper level and also another office at the side, and also the pantry. And next one is a level 8, the last level. There's open office in level 8 and transparent lift, the headquarters, and also a bathroom. That's all for floor plan. Okay, next is a roof plan. First one is create flat surface. The extension is covered in triangular facade, some transparent and other opaque, which are arranged to create a flat surface at the at the south end and a rippling structure that echoes the water at the north. Glaze structure. One end of the glaze structure overhangs the original dormer roof and is broken up by a tapered concrete lake containing an observation point. For the next slide is energy efficient and sustainable features. The first one is a roof light-through, and the second one is natural slate roof. The third one is borehole energy system. The fourth one is solar protections. The last one is efficient light profile. For the first one, roof light through, allowing a natural light deep into the center of the buildings. Light transmitting structure that made of transparent or translucent glass. The construction of the light through in the courtyard at the atrium center. For the third picture, the last picture is the light through roof at the upper level in the building. For the level 8 for ceiling part of level 8. Next slide is for a natural slate roof for the old building. For fire station, natural slate tile that the most resistant material used for roofing. This slate shingle are then trimmed into particular shape. The natural slate roof application in the old building of the fire stations, and the installation of the natural slate roof for the last pictures. Next is a borehole energy system that's being used for the new buildings. A borehole energy system pump water to a depth of 80 meters below grade in over 100 locations around the building to provide heating and cooling. Next one is a closed loop polyethylene probe is inserted after drilling. A use of chill sealing in the new extension. Next one is solar protection. Triangular facades are transparent. Some are opaque, mixed ensure a sufficient sunlight within a building. The mix ensures sufficient sunlight within the building to guarantee optimal working conditions. The construction of triangular facade glass in the building, controlling solar load to guarantee optimal working conditions. The next one is efficient light profile. They provide with a unique and efficient light profile. The 90 milliliter white profile foreseen with high quality LED module and daily dimmable LED driver from Triodix. The unique design of the ceiling required all profile to be different length and angle, while the diffuser and blind plate were both to be perfectly in line with a ceiling plate. Various technological options were integrated into the lighting system, from a presence detections, light sensor, smoke sensor, to even a sprinkler system. In order to achieve a high standard in energy efficient design, the client was in need of custom-made lighting solution that fulfill his demands and expectations perfectly ultimately lead to creation of unique and efficient light profile, as well as low maintenance and energy costs for the end user, which underline our special attention for energy efficiency for these buildings. That's for energy efficient and sustainable features. Okay, next for additional green features. First one is building automations. Building automation and optimal daylight control minimize artificial lighting. Next one is for waterless lavatory. Waterless lavatory fittings and motion detector minimize water consumption. Um, Next, for conclusions, increasing energy efficiency not only allow individuals and organizations to reduce their capital and operational costs, and it can also help lower fuel consumptions and so reduce the emission of greenhouse gases and help prevent climate change. Next is sustainable design seeks to reduce negative impacts on the environment and the health and comfort of the building occupants, thereby improving building performance. The basic objective of the sustainability are to reduce consumptions of non-renewable resources, minimize waste, and create healthy, productive environment. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.